Hello, Tyler Bryden here. I hope everything's going well. Today I'm excited to walk through a huge jump in how you can filter data within Speak, and that is the advanced filter that we have released. You can see that there is an option here. There's an advanced filter button. There's also a save filter button. I want to walk through a little bit of this and also sort of the benefits that this allows and the changes from how it previously was. And if you remember, there was a very simple filter mechanism that allowed you to say, hey, I want this tag from this folder. But what we were getting asked for were, hey, I want to be able to isolate data. I want to be able to say, hey, data in this folder that does not contain this tag. And in the instance of that, we were really lacking these sort of like and or conditions that were super important for allowing that filtering to happen. And so that's what this advanced filter then allows you to do. And so I have the advanced filter here. I actually have a default one that I've set up that I'm super happy with. This is a pretty simple one, but it's a folder includes, and then the folder is Speak with Tyler Bryden, which is my YouTube videos that I record. And then I've got the condition and, so you've got and or, you've got includes or does not include, as in excludes, and then I've got the category, which includes keywords as well. Now, if I wanted to, I can start to filter this in an even more advanced way. And to provide some context for that, I have a bunch of videos that I've created. A couple of them are related to generative AI. And so I can now go and I can add this condition. I can say, hey, I want tag to also include generative AI. I could also do this the other way. I could exclude everything that didn't contain it. This is probably the easier version. And now I have what you see here. The folder includes Speak with Tyler Bryden, and category includes, and the tag includes generative AI. And because of this new setup, what this is doing is only filtering that data, whereas the sort of and conditions that we had would have just given you sort of all of that information together. And now I have a super interesting insight level into videos that I'm making specifically on generative AI. And this thing, when you think about this, this allows you to say you're collecting feedback to say you're showing your customers ads, and then they're giving you feedback, and there's different demographics of those people who are responding, and though you could use those as a tag within Speak and say, hey, I want to understand the responses from this demographic versus this demographic. If you're doing user interviews, there's a lot of opportunities to then also do that filtering mechanism. And there's something that's really cool here, which is I can actually go into this advanced filter and I can add a condition, and I can go speaker name. So I can include or I can not include. Now I've got all these ones here, but I can actually go and select on this. And so in an account where you have speakers labeled, then you will be able to include or exclude them. And one of the great use cases we've seen come out of this is if you're doing user interviews and you have a moderator and you don't want to have their questions in it, if those are properly labeled, you can actually remove the moderator from the analysis using this advanced filter, and you only get insights back from how people are exactly speaking about the questions that are being asked without the data that is coming from the moderator itself. So you can see some great sort of applications of this, including even sentiment, positive versus negative. So only focus on positive or negative media within your system, media type, audio and video. And we're going to continue to add more filters. Obviously, if you have any feedback, we'd love to hear. That's super, we always welcome that feedback. And I just wanted to show one last piece. I'm going to delete this because I don't need that piece, but now I've got the option to save this filter. So I've got Speak with Tyler Bryden. This is going to be create a new one, Speak with Tyler Bryden, generative. And I can make this my default one. So this is the thing I see every single time. I don't want to do that one because I got my other one for that. And then I can also make this private or public. And this comes into place when you are, if you are using the Speak Shareable Media Library and you're sharing out your dashboard to other people, or you want other people to be able to view data sets or filtering of data within your account, you can now make that public and they can access that filter as well. So I'm going to make this one private. I can save, And within this, it gives a second to load here, I now have a couple filters that I can then access. So I've got the main Speak with Tyler Bryden, and then I've also got the Speak with Tyler Bryden generative. And if I go back that, I get the data that I'm looking for. So super excited to add this in. A lot of things are going to be coming from a comparison functionality with this data filter that we'll be announcing soon. And overall, really excited to sort of bring these and/or conditions, multiple new attributes that you can filter by, and allow you to instantly and repeatedly reveal the insights that matter most to you. So thank you for checking this out. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, thank you for being a huge supporter of Speak. Bye-bye.